Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying prerequisites fast. Open Settings and confirm you're on Windows 10 so instructions match. Once done, check whether you're signed in with a local or Microsoft account because personalization sync behaves differently. Make sure the wallpaper image is saved in an accessible folder like desktop or pictures. If it's on a network drive, copy it locally. Now open Personalization to begin changing background. This is where you'll apply the fix directly. You'll now apply and troubleshoot settings. Go to Settings, right arrow Personalization, right arrow Background, and pick Picture from the drop-down. Use Browse to locate your image and click Choose Picture to set it. Notice the preview immediately updates. If the background remains black, make sure your user account has write permission in %appdata% and the registry keys under HKCU/control panel/desktop aren't locked. Also check group policy. User configuration, finish by restarting the shell so changes take hold. Open Task Manager, find Windows Explorer and click Restart. That often clears a black screen. If the problem persists, open an elevated PowerShell or command prompt and run sfc/scano to repair corrupted system files. Let it finish and reboot. If none of that works, create a new user profile and move your documents and pictures to it, because a corrupted user profile can cause persistent black backgrounds.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.